G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so Peter from Comfort Zone here. I'm just doing my roof inspection. This is the skylight that was leaking a bit, that I showed you the inside on the ceiling. You can see, like, this is just a bit of, I think it's garden shed type corrugated iron, for greenhouses and that. It's not really designed for domestic residential type use, and because it fades and cracks in the sun, and then it'll start leaking, which it's doing. But it's very easy also for somebody to walk across this roof and stand on one of those sheets, especially when they get a bit darker or if they get painted, and you'll go straight through. So anyway, that's a bit of that's what the DIY skylight looks like when you see one on your roof.